Over. This is Rob Landis with Weimer Group Realty. I am here hosting an open house at our new listing at 709 Silver Birch Place in Crystal Creek community of Longwood. This house is beautiful, has a new roof as of 2019. The exterior paint was done in 2019 and a complete replumb in 2019. Great floor plan, so let's go take a look. I'm going to switch you around here real quick so we can see the house. At some point, there it is. All right. So 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, just under 2,000 square feet on conservation. So I'm not going to have anyone behind you for rear neighbors. 2-car garage, laminate flooring and tile and carpet. Also, one of the owners is an artisan wood craftsman. So there's some details in here that she has done, which look really good. So let's go inside. As you enter, you'll notice very high ceilings. Makes the house look really large. You have some formal areas here. It could be a formal dining, formal living, however you want to set it up. They obviously have a small child, so they've set up a little play area, which is really nice. Let's keep going around here. So you have a half bath downstairs. Storage, as you can imagine, they're doing some packing to get ready to move, so storage is a little full at the moment. Let's see, half bath here. You have an indoor laundry, which is nice, with some storage as well. Then you come through tile floor, newer laminate. Come through into the tile, more tile, and kitchen. Open kitchen. All appliances are staying: washer, dryer, dishwasher, refrigerator, stove, microwave. Again, real high ceilings in here as well. Nice pantry space. Let's come around this way. There we go. You have a little kitchen dinette there for eat-in. They're utilizing this space as their formal dining. Again, the crafts person made this table. It's beautiful. It does not stay. It is going. The gate here, the baby gate, is currently staying. If that needs to be removed, we can definitely take care of that. Another great feature of this house is the downstairs master. So you have 1 down with a full bath, as well as 3 up with a full bath. We'll get to that in a second. So it's created a nice slat wall. Pretty colors. So in the bathroom here, the master bath, you have a huge garden tub. You have a separate shower, dual vanity, separate toilet area, and personally made craft barn door. Huge closet. Oh, so plenty of room for whoever has this for storage of clothes or other items, which is great. Let's make our way around and upstairs. Again, I'll be here today from 11 to 2, so you're welcome to come take a look. Let's go upstairs. Let's get a look out over the stairs here so you can get an idea of how large the space is. There we go. Wow, I'm pretty popular. A lot of folks are watching this morning. I appreciate that. So upstairs, another bathroom, full bath, dual vanities, plenty of room. Shower tub combo, tile floor. You have 3 bedrooms up here. This one they currently have set up as an office space. Again, they are moving, so they're getting stuff packed up and taken off walls and such. But pretty shelving. Nice layout here. You have number 2 bedroom is what I would call it. Good size. Probably a 12 by 11. Let me see if I can get in the closet real quick. She also made, our woodworking friend, has made custom closet setups. So these are all staying as well. But the shelving, the drawers, everything makes it plenty of space to store in a secondary bedroom. That's not very common, so it's very nice to see. Okay, we'll go to the next one. I'll show you that closet as well. Big guest bedroom, queen size bed, and still plenty of room. So let's check out this closet as well. There we go. And I'll come around this way. I missed one of the closets, so let me take a look at that. If I can move my Porsche out of the way. There we go. Oh, this one does not have custom. There we go. So again, 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath. Let me switch around again. There we go. 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, just under 2,000 square feet in beautiful Longwood. Crystal Creek community. You also have community playground, community center as far as picnic area and so forth. Oh, let's go in the backyard. So, nice private backyard. I'm going to spin you around here. Currently the play set does not stay, but we can negotiate if need be. Let me see, here's the conservation area. As you can hear, it's a nice quiet Saturday morning. So come out here and take a look. Join me. Tell me what you think. Send your friends, send your family, whoever might be looking. If they're not interested in this house, I can help them with another home, anywhere in Central Florida. All right? Have a wonderful day.